Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to crochet these beautiful earrings. The upper part I have crocheted a flower, and the lower part I have make a loom flower. For this I need a thread, DMC thread J4399, and a white color thread, and a loom knitting tool, and one half beads, one crochet hook on needle, and this crochet hook is 1.5 millimeter 1 millimeter, sorry, and a glue and a scissor. In your little finger, first wrap 4 times the thread to create a ring. After wrapping, take it out from your finger and then make a chain. Make chain 3. After making chain 3, I am going to make 4 triple crochet. So I am wrapping 2 times the thread into the hook. 1 triple crochet is done. Do 4 triple crochet like this. My 4 triple crochet is done. Now I am going to make chain 3, and after this I am going to slip stitch with the ring this chain 3. Now my first petal is done. I am going to make the second petal. Similarly, make chain 3 first, then 4 triple crochet, then again make chain 3, and then make slip stitch with the ring. Like this you have to make 5 petals to form a flower. You have to make 3 more petals using this method. Now my flower is done. Now I am going to attach the earpin and the beads. So for that I am using some foam to do this, that it can hold the beads easily, and the earpin also. I am using this glue. I am using the glue V6000 here. You can use any fabric glue here. Now I am going to make the lower part, the looming part. First I have to make a knot. to secure this thread with the loom tool, and then wrap around this, and you have to make the same partition. This side pipe and this side also pipe, left and right side both are equal. Wrap 4 times around all the pin and then change. After wrapping 4 times, then change, again wrap 4 times and then change. Then cut the yarn, and then using needle you have to secure the flower. Now I am going to use the flower color thread to look this loom flower more attractive. Touch the lower part with upper part with the help of jump ring. Now my earrings is done. Please do comment is it look beautiful or not in the comment box. Thanks for watching.